A tiger and a bear are two very different animals, and it would not be appropriate or ethical to pit them against each other in a fight. Both tigers and bears are apex predators and are capable of causing serious injury or death to humans, so it is important to respect them and give them space in the wild. That being said, there are some differences between the two animals that may be of interest to you. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family and are native to Asia. They are powerful predators that are known for their distinctive orange and black, striped fur. There are 9 subspecies of tigers, 3 of which are now extinct. The remaining subspecies are the Bengal tiger, the Indo-Chinese tiger, the Sumatran tiger, the Siberian tiger, the South Chinese tiger, and the Malayan tiger. Bears are large carnivorous mammals found in a variety of habitats around the world. There are 8 species of bears, including the polar bear, the brown bear, the American black bear, the Asiatic black bear, the sloth bear, the sun bear, the spectacled bear, and the giant panda, which is considered a bear, despite its diet being mostly bamboo. In terms of physical differences, tigers are generally larger and more powerful than bears. A full-grown male tiger can weigh up to 660 pounds and stand nearly 4 feet tall at the shoulder, while a full-grown male bear can weigh up to 1,100 pounds and stand around 3 feet tall at the shoulder. However, bears have thicker skin and a more robust skeletal structure, which gives them an advantage in close combat. In terms of behavior and habitat, tigers are solitary animals that typically live and hunt alone, while bears are more social and may live in small groups or with their cubs. Tigers are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and swamps, while bears are adapted to a wider range of environments, including forests, tundra, and mountains. It is important to remember that both tigers and bears are wild animals and should be treated with respect and caution. It is not safe or appropriate to approach or interfere with them in any way. Tigers and bears are two very different animals that have evolved to live and survive in a variety of different environments. Here are some additional differences between the two. Diet: tigers are carnivorous and primarily hunt large mammals such as deer, wild pigs, and antelope. They are skilled predators that use their powerful muscles and sharp claws to catch and kill their prey. Bears, on the other hand, are omnivorous and have a diet that varies depending on the species and location. Some bears primarily eat plants, while others rely on a combination of plants and animals for sustenance. For example, polar bears primarily hunt seals, while brown bears may eat berries, nuts, and small mammals in addition to larger prey such as elk or moose. Reproduction: tigers have a slightly longer reproductive cycle than bears. Female tigers reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age and typically have litters of 2 to 4 cubs every 2 to 3 years. Male tigers do not participate in the raising of cubs and may even be a threat to them. Bears, on the other hand, have a longer reproductive cycle and do not typically reproduce until they are 4 to 5 years old. Female bears typically have litters of 1 to 3 cubs every 3 to 4 years, and both males and females play a role in raising and protecting the cubs. Conservation status: tigers and bears are both facing various threats to their survival, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. However, the conservation status of the two animals differs greatly. Tigers are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and are at risk of extinction in the wild. There are only an estimated 3,900 tigers left in the wild, down from an estimated 100,000 in the early 20th century. In contrast, while some bear species are considered vulnerable or endangered, others have healthy populations and are not currently at risk of extinction.